Hey friends, if you encounter an error occurred while trying to copy a file on Windows PC, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Obviously, you can try to re-download the file, but that's a different thing. After that, check if the disk has enough space. So open the File Explorer window, go to this PC and check the remaining disk space. And if you're short of it, simply search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and click on disk cleanup. Select OK and then check all of these boxes here and then click on OK and delete files. Now in 99% of the cases this will be helpful, but let us assume you were downloading a massive video file. You have just enough space for it. So you have to make space by deleting files and folders and all. I mean, you will have to do something about it. Now the next solution is to temporarily disable antivirus, but this refers to third-party antivirus programs. Right click on them, right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the apps tab, select installed apps, and then you can click on the three dots associated with the antivirus and select uninstall and uninstall once again. The next solution is to check the status of the internet connection. Open fast.com and hit enter. You will be able to check the internet speed here, okay? And the last solution is to check the scan, obviously. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command chkdsk space /r space /f and hit enter. Press Y and hit enter once again to initiate the check disk scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.